guys, let's make one of the most famous ramen in Korea. This is the shin ramen. So you put the pot on fire, you put 1.5 cup of water and you leave to boil. When it boils, you go ahead to put your noodles inside. I also like to make sure that all my noodles are empty from the sachet, which you can see me empty. So I go ahead to make sure that the water enters the noodles. Okay, so inside the packet we have our vegetable mix and our soup base, which is the dry spice. So now that we have those, we just go ahead to cover the pot and let it boil for 3 minutes. Now the 3 minutes is up and this is our noodles. So we go ahead to stir it before we now add the spices, that is the vegetable mix and the soup spice. Okay, so here we are guys, this is our soup base, which is the dry spice. Just go ahead to quickly open it and add it into our noodles. So if you like your vegetables to be a bit softer, you can add this before, but I like my vegetables a bit strong, so I'm adding the soup base first, which is the dry spice first, and then after adding this I'll go ahead to add the next one, which is the vegetable mix. So this is it. I'm just going to open it. So inside this vegetable mix we have carrots, we have beefs, we have a lot of things. Okay, and it's really nice. So now I'm just going to go ahead to mix this. What I want is I'm going to let it boil for like 5 seconds after mixing, and voila guys, our shin ramen is ready. And I have to tell you guys, this shin ramen is very spicy and it's very delicious. I think this is why people recognize it as one of the famous and most liked ramen in Korea. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, subscribe, and turn notification button. I'll see you in another video.